Hello kids, Mr. Agee here, and I'm here to talk to you about your word study assignment for Thursday, November 5th. Today you will be focused on three different ways to use A in words. So we're looking for the short A, the CVC, pattern, and the long A that you can spell with the CVC silent E. So you've got the consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E that we studied in a previous sort, and we're adding a new sort where you get a vowel team, AI, working together to make a long A sound. So again, you're going to be sorting into three columns, and the columns are going to be the short A sound, like in cat, and the long A that has the silent E on the end, which codes the A to say its name, A, like in face. And here we've got another way to make long A, the vowel team AI, like in rain. So any word that you see this pattern AI making the long A sound, you're going to put into this column. And any word that doesn't fit any of those three patterns is going to go into the oddball category here. I'll go back and we can read these words here so you can hear them at least once. Um, we've got starting in the upper left, I'm just going to go straight down. Brain, faint, stamp, said, snack, flash, bake, dash, camp, blame, snake, want, place, black, main, train, paint, crane, main, and snail. So I believe you're going to come across two words in here that, while they look like they fit the spelling pattern, they do not fit the sound pattern. So if it's a short A word, it's got to say ah. If it's got a silent E on the end, it should say A. If it's a vowel team AI, it should say A. So if it does not say those sounds, then it belongs in the oddball category. And moving to the last page here, you've got the list here in the purple box that you're going to be sorting into the short A category, the long A made by the vowel consonant silent E pattern, A, like in face, and here you're using the vowel, you're locating the vowel team AI, which makes a long A sound, and you're practicing spelling those words on the lines. And as usual, we're practicing being neat, organized, and beautiful in our writing, doing the very best that we can. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.